welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back in my kitchen. For people who have not been following for the channel for very long, you must have thought, oh my god, she's changed the channel to a travel program, but it's not. It's the first time I thought I'll do a little vlog while I'm in India, because I've never been able to do it, and I get so many questions about things and food when I'm traveling. So I thought, why not do a vlog if I am able to, and I was able to. So hope you enjoyed the series. Unfortunately, I'm back in my kitchen. Thankfully, the sun is shining, and because I've just come back from Mumbai, I really fancy Bombay omelette. So it's super quick, healthy. I've just been to the gym, so I want to have a nice healthy lunch. So let's get cooking. You know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, like, share, comment, and let's get cooking. That's the most important thing. Don't need much at all, just a few things, and that's it. First of all, a little bit of chopping needs to be done. So the things I need for this simple Bombay omelette is onion, tomato, a green chili, and some pepper to begin with. Also a little bit of coriander. So I'm just going to finely chop all of this, and they can be mixed together, so I don't need to chop one at a time. I can just chop it all, mix it all together. I'm only going to use half a tomato and just a small piece of pepper. I'm using all because I'm just making for one person. The last thing to go in is a little bit of coriander. If you don't like coriander, you can 100% go for parsley or some chives. So now we come to the eggs. I'm going to use 3 eggs for my omelette. Onions, chilies, peppers, tomatoes, and coriander. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. You can add, I'm adding at least 1/4 teaspoon. Bit of chili powder, some pepper, and a good whisk. You saw I added a little bit of oil and also added a little bit of butter, but that is totally optional. And I've just put all the mixture on it. Now, one person can eat this, or 2 people can eat this, or 3 people can eat this. It's up to you. And here it is, my friends, a quick, delicious, healthy masala omelette. You can serve it with ketchup, mayo, green coriander chutney. In my case, I'm going to just have a little bit of chili oil on top, but it is simple, healthy, and delicious. And just like that, my friends, in minutes, I know the light's shining, but you know, I'm making the most of the glorious sunshine. The day I arrived back from India, it was literally chucking it down. So got off the plane, got home in crazy rain. So I'm loving the sunshine. What's not to like? Healthy, super healthy, delicious, easy to make. You can have it for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. You can put it in a wrap if you want more, like kind of a bit more carbs in it. The choice is yours. Whatever you do, do try this. And hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll be back with another new recipe soon. Bye for now.